Making a DIY wall decor. Materials. Prepare for straw pieces and shape them as shown. Use a glue gun to attach it. To create your background, print your own design onto your construction paper. Using a cord, tie your straw in this manner. Cut the printed background like this. Then punch a hole around it. To knot the string around the straw, insert it through the hole as shown. You can begin creating your own background design. Use pre-made art supplies or reuse any things to make your work more attractive. Using different colored paper materials, you can create your own floral pattern. Check out our finished work. It's quite creative. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.